whole disaster. Stove dirty. Pot looked like it got food from 10 years ago in it, and she about to cook in it, not even clean it. Throw the ham in there like she cooking for a dog. Look at all that salt. And the ham. You know ham is salty. Then she said she cooking it for her 65-year-old hubby. Okay. He got an insurance policy for sure. He got insurance. She trying to kill him. She the beneficiary. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the potato. Look at the potato. He got an insurance policy. She the beneficiary. She just put water in there and ketchup. She trying to kill this man so she can get some money. What's the other explanation? Oh God. She got the tortilla in the water with the... This crazy. Look at the half-cooked potato and the salty food. That's crazy.